If I could, I would explain just how it feels to play and win this game. You came into my world, and I felt for the first time the joy a woman feels when she's loved for real. Every dream I had was now a deja vu. 'Cause in my every wish was a man, and that is you. And simply put, I'd say I'm